Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Following on from our recent exhaust test with the GR Yaris, today we're going to be unboxing and testing the Tegiwa Milltek Catback for the EP3. Eddie, our customer services guy, kindly borrowed us his EP3 for the day. He's currently got a Tegiwa header on there and a stock catback, and the car is completely OEM other than that. Obviously he's got wheels and tyres, but that's the only performance related modification he's got. So we're gonna get it off the ramp, put it on the dyno, see what stock power it makes, and then we're gonna unbox this, take a look at that. We're gonna take some readings of sound, see how they compare, and then we'll get it back on the dyno and see how much power it makes after this is fitted. So let's crack on with that. Okay, so we've just dynoed the car. As you can see, it made 195.6 horsepower. It's a nice smooth curve. There's not much to say about this really. It's kind of, that figure is to be expected. So let's get the Milltek on there and see how it compares. So now we're ready to unbox the Tegiwa Milltek Catback for the EP3. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. So we've just unboxed the system. Milltek Sport developed this for the Civic Cup, and we work with Milltek to make this application friendly for people that want to use it on the road. It's a 3-inch outer diameter catback exhaust, or 76mm. As you can see, it's got a silencer in this pipe and the back box here. This is the exhaust tip, and that simply clamps onto the back box. It's a slip fit system, so everything just mates up using these clamps here. We've got a new gasket for this end here. We've got a 3-inch to 2.5-inch adapter here. This is so that you can use the system on any stock formation manifold, such as the OEM one, the Tegiwa, the DC Sports one. On this pipe, which goes from the manifold backwards, we've got an O2 sensor fit in there. You can simply use the one that's already on the car. Our hardware and fitting kit is here. So we've got a new gasket, which will go onto this adapter here. We've got new clamps. Because it's a slip fit system, everything mates up using those clamps. We've also got new bolts as well, which is handy on a car of this age, because when you're fitting this new exhaust and removing the old one, you never know what bolts are going to snap. This system retails at £595 at the time of filming. What we're going to do now is get it off the table, get it all fitted, remove the old one, get the Milltek on there. Okay, so we've just dynoed the Milltek exhaust. As we can see, we've got a pretty good gain. So on the stock exhaust, it made 194 horsepower, and with the Tegiwa Milltek exhaust, it's now making 211.2 horsepower, which is a pretty good gain just for saying that we've swapped the Catback. Yeah, we're pretty impressed with that. I guess the OEM system's pretty narrow, so switching to a 3-inch has made a big difference. So we're going to go out now, do some drive-bys and some tests. So let's go do that. Okay, so we just got back from testing Eddie's car. It's a pretty windy day today, so our best efforts were made to try and capture the decibel readings as accurately as possible, but you know, take these readings with a pinch of salt as always. As we've said, this exhaust was made for the track, so we never really saw any crazy readings. We do think you will be okay at all UK tracks. And that pretty much sums up our video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy this exhaust or check out our range of EP3 parts, then check out the link in the description. Bye.